Stranger Things have dropped its final season 4 trailer, and fans can't believe how grown-up the child stars look. As the 4th season premiere of Stranger Things approaches closer and closer, Netflix fans were thrilled to watch another teaser of what to expect. The clip teases a major war in the Upside Down as the young heroes reunite for an explosive new season. After a 2-year hiatus, a new threat from the Upside Down emerges, and Keery's Steve, Natalia Dyer's Nancy and Maya Hawke's Robin must stop it once and for all. They are joined by a 4th character on their mission and shows Max being haunted by the forces of the Upside Down. The trailer shows Max floating in a dream-like state in front of her brother's grave. Fans have raced to watch the trailer and commented on how grown-up the child stars are now. One wrote, "How does this show get more and more interesting and epic with every new season? Can't wait to see it." Another posted, "They all look so grown up now. This season is going to be mind-blowing." A third said, "Honestly can already tell it's the best season." A 4th added, "How so they managed to keep this show so interesting and exciting. The cast looks so different in compared to Series 1. The 4th season of Stranger Things will be broken up into 2 different parts. Therefore there will be 2 different premiere dates, a separate date for each part. Save the date as the first part of Season 4 of Stranger Things will premiere on May 27, 2022. Meanwhile, the second part of the must-watch series will be released on July 1, 2022. The 2-parter of Season 4 of Stranger Things will not be the end of the story for fans. However, it looks as if the adventures of the Stranger Things cast will come to an end after Season 5. Netflix shared the news announcing that the wide-reaching show is renewed for a 5th and final series. According to Variety, the showrunners, credited as the Duffer Brothers, shared the heartbreaking news in a letter. The letter, which was shared on Netflix's blog, stated, "7 years ago, we planned out the complete story arc for Stranger Things. At the time, we predicted the story would last 4 to 5 seasons. It proved too large to tell in 4, but, as you'll soon see for yourselves, we are now hurtling toward our finale. Season 4 will be the penultimate season, Season 5 will be the last." The sci-fi horror series first premiered on July 15, 2016.